Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the lowercase letters G through L from alphabet lore. So let's get started. To draw these cute letters, let's first start by drawing their eyes. So we're going to start with G, and we're going to basically be drawing a bunch of these square, rounded off squares. So I'm going to start by right here. Just go ahead and draw a rounded off square. And then we're going to draw one behind it. And come in right there. Then to make these silly eyes, let's come over here. We're going to break it up with a straight line and then a lower one right here. And then in this little space right here, we're just going to darken it up. And so same thing on this side. A straight line here, and then this part's a little bit thicker. And then darken this part up. And there. So the nice thing about these letters is it's just fun to draw, and you don't have to be too exact, right? Okay, so now that we have that in, let's come to this side right here. I'm just going to draw a curve first, and then right underneath this eye, about right here, I'll draw another curve. So these are the cheeks, and then from there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect a curve all the way up for this goofy smile. And then right in this area, I'm just going to put in this little tooth. There. Then from there, let's draw the G. So we're going to come up to this eye, and we're just going to come up and draw this kind of cone, rounded off cone shape to the head, and then go up, and then we're going to bring it down close to this eye right here. And let's continue this. Imagine it coming down. So we're just going to draw the head of our G. And bring this down nice and round, and we're going to bring it down to here. Approximate to about right here. And we'll stop about right there. Let's bring this down. So we're going to start to draw the leg of our G. And about right there, we want it about that thick. So I'm going to come right here and curve up. Come across. And let's bring this down. So it's just always easier, just go back and forth on both sides so you kind of know how thick and where you're going. And then from there, let's go ahead, bring this out, and we're just going to go ahead and connect. So notice it's a little bit more angular, not just round. There. So we got our G in. And let's see here. Now to draw H. So right next to it, once again, we're going to start with the eyes. I'll start about right here in this area. About here, and we're going to draw these rounded off squares again. So always start with the eyes. It just makes everything a little bit easier to draw around to make sure you have everything in place. So it's pretty wide, so I'm going to come right across, so say about this wide, and draw another one. Rounded off square. There. And then inside for these eyes, we're going to draw this round off this shape. Thicken up this round shape, I mean. And then everything will be shaded in black. So like a little, I don't know what you call that, banana, rounded off crescent, upside down crescent. So same thing here, macaroni. Go around. You just want to thicken it up and then shade everything else around it black. There. And then in between these eyes, we're going to draw a smile. So about right here, come to the top. I'm just going to draw a curve right on top, and I'm going to thicken it up right next to the eyes and connect. And then in here, we're going to put a little tooth once again and shade this all in. There. And then now we're going to come next to over this mouth, and about right here, I'm going to draw a curve that comes to about right here. So just giving myself these points makes it a lot easier. know where I'm going, right there. And then we're going to bring down a straight line about here, here, here. Okay, so let's go and draw the legs of our H. So I'm going to bring it down to about right here. Same thing here. And I'm going to bring a curve right in the middle. And let's finish up these legs. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw these curves. 1, 2, and 3. So same thing on this side. Come down. 1, 2, and 3. And then draw the top. Let's go straight up. And about right here once again. 3. And come down. So you want to come down and make sure you're coming down about the same width as the bottom. There, so we have our H. Now to draw our cute little eye. So we're going to come down about right here because I know the eyes are really low about here. Short little eye. So I'm going to come here next to it, next to our H, and draw this big rounded off square. So we have huge eyes for this little eye. So one, and then right next to it, we're going to draw another one. There, so 2 rounded off squares, and let's come inside, and we're just going to draw another one. So just follow whatever you drew outside. And same thing here. There, and I'll shade this in all black. So I'll be coloring this in for you later with some markers, so hopefully that helps you to complete these letters. And definitely check out all the alphabet lore videos I've drawn so far. This is part 2 for the lowercase, and if you want more, definitely let me know in the comments below. Okay, so we have these 2 big eyes in. Let's come in and draw the body of our eye. So we're going to come about here, and should this eye comes out a little bit more, so let's say about here. It's not actually not even, so about here we're going to come out, and then we're going to come up and draw the top of our eye, go across, and then come down. And then we're just going to imagine this coming through, and then about right here, so same thing, and draw the bottom. There, to the bottom, and then we'll forget our small little smile right here. So silly. And cap it off. And then of course you need to draw a big circle right in the center on the top. I'm just going to go draw a big circle right up here. There, and we have our eye. Okay, so now to draw J. Right underneath G, I'm going to come right about here, and I'll draw, let's see, let's start with the eyes, right? So I'm going to need to give myself some space over the top. So say about right here. I'll just go ahead and start about in this area. And we're going to draw the rounded off, but this is more of a rectangular shape. Not so square this time. So 1, and there's going to be 1 in the back. And let's cut it off once again, and then draw this little square inside for the eye, and same thing in the back. There. Then we have this silly mouth to come about right here. We're going to draw a slight angle line, and then right underneath this eye we're going to wobble, curve, and cap it off. Then the body right here, we're going to draw a curve right there. Then let's come back to the top. So I'm going to come to the top about right here, draw a little line, and then just like the eye, we're going to draw the top. I'm going to bring it out. So let's say about this thick. So I'm going to bring this out, and then about right here, I'll come in for the body of our J. And then in this area, there's these little things going on, right? Make it look like a little butt. So we're going to draw a curve, and then we're going to draw another curve for this silly J. So one, and then we're going to draw another curve right here to finish off our J. But just remember, it's still as if we're drawing this one big curve. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect. There. So two little curves in here for our J, and then the top. So let's draw a circle right in the center, about right here. Oops. This circle got away from me. There. Okay, so we have our J in. Now for K, which is kind of like this bug thing, right? So once again, kind of like where this is, right underneath the H, I'll start about right here and round it off square. And for these eyes, there's this square highlight here, but it's not white, so it's like a dark gray. I'm going to add another smaller one right here. So this kind of shape right here, I guess you could just draw two little squares next to each other, make it a little bit easier. And then right here, we're going to draw this beak. I'm going to come down with a curve, come in, and then zigzag my way up. And then same thing here, and in to create this little beak. And then in the back, we're going to draw another rounded off square. And once again, that squarish highlight. One, and then next to a smaller one. There. And then now for the body. So we're going to come about right here, and there's just a bunch of curves we're going to need to draw. 1, 2, and 3. And we're just going to imagine this coming down. And same thing, 1, 2, 3. That much, and then we're going to thicken this up to, it's going to be about the width of the eye. So let's come out to the width of the eye, and we're just going to complete these curves. And then we come to here, we're going to draw the parts, the legs that come out. So let's come to here, and we're going to draw the first one, 2, 3. We're going out at an angle now, and then we're going to come down. So turn your paper if you need to, make this curve angle a little bit easier, but we want to bring it all back to about here. So I'll just give myself a point. So 1, 2, and 3. Now the other leg. 1, 2, and we want to bring it to about here. So this is coming down, so let's draw this leg first. 1, 2, and finish this off. And connect. And then right here, we're going to draw this little curve. And then complete. 1, 2, and complete this leg. There, something like that. Let's see if I'm missing anything. Okay, that is pretty much it. When I color it, I'll put in some of the shadows and highlights to make this come to life. And then finally, our simple little L. So we're about in this area once again, right underneath the eye. I'm going to come about, let's just say about here. And I'm going to draw once again, rounded off square. One, and another one in the back. And here, we're going to cut it off. Draw the eye part, shade this in, and another one. There. And then we're going to come down to this eye, kind of the width of our L. We're going to come down with a line, and let's bring this a little bit lower because we need to draw a curve that comes up to this eye, and then we're going to round it off for the mouth. We're going to curve out a little bit past this line, and then bring this down and bring it down to where the K is, and bring this up about right there. And then we're going to thicken everything up. So the other part of our L will be about here and here. So let's go ahead and we're just going to round off the corners and come down. So same thing here. Just going to round it off and connect. Yay. And then there's a little part right here to close it up. I think maybe, oh, we'll just leave it at that. Make it a little bit simpler. Not sure what's going on in the mouth, but that is pretty much it. So now I'm going to just go ahead and color with some alcohol markers. So they're all done. I really hope you love watching me draw and color these lowercase letters part 2 from Alphabet Lore. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.